Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by installing and signing into the Excel app so your files sync. Once done, open the app and tap New to create a blank workbook or choose a template. This saves time by pre-configuring sheets and formats. Make sure to allow storage access so Excel can read and save files on your phone. You do this now because working from the correct account prevents lost changes and keeps autosave functional while you proceed to enter data. Now you'll focus on entering and shaping your data. Tap cells to type, or press the microphone key for faster voice entry. Use the numeric keypad when entering financials to avoid errors. Once data is in place, swipe to select a range and tap the AutoSum or Fill handle to copy sequences. This speeds calculations. Make sure to apply number formats like currency or percent so totals calculate correctly, and use alignment and color. Finish by adding formulas and saving your workbook. Tap a cell, start with equals and type sum or average, or press FX to pick functions. Relative references let formulas adapt when you copy them. After verifying results, enable auto-save or tap Save and Export if you need CSV or PDF. If something goes wrong, like formulas not updating, restart the app, confirm you're signed into the correct account, and clear the app cache. This often restores sync and corrects display glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.